Awesome, perfect. Use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Down for Sound, Sky High Car Audio, and others. Links in the description. What's up, man?
Hey, what's going on?
Could you tell me your name real quick? What's in here?
Yeah, I'm Sean. Yeah, Hurricane Electronics, business I own, and we all do Crossfire. Crossfire XT315s, powered by the Crossfire 16 chain.
Wow. This looks really good.
And a blow-through. Yeah. Somehow koozie got sucked in. I can't get it out.
What's the tuning on this?
I think it's tuned. The box is tuned at about 42 hertz.
Okay. Oh yeah, that's too deep.
Yeah, I'll get it. Oh, you got it? Yep. Oh, I appreciate it.
No problem. What's your electrical like?
I got two 80 amp lithium batteries, one behind each seat.
Yep.
And then under the hood, I got two of the like Brand X 320 amp alternators.
Okay. All right. Does it do better with this window up or down?
Up.
Okay. All right. Can I see under the hood, the alternators?
Oh yeah.
Thank you. Awesome demo.
You can pop it anyway.
Wow. Woo! That was pretty impressive from just a blow through. Yeah. That'll tap the people off right there. That's pretty loud. Yeah. Whew. Thank you for showing me. Yes, anyway, yeah. Awesome. Perfect. Can I take a picture? You good?
new shit, man.
That's a loud blow through, man.
Yeah,
Impressive,
good.
man. Nice
Yeah,
job. That's
thanks.
great, man. I like it.
Yeah,
Sean,
appreciate it. Thank you.
woo. Thank you for that demo, man.
Oh, yeah, no problem.
Appreciate it. Thank you, Sean. Thanks for showing me, man. Everybody, as well as thank you channel supporters. If you want to become a channel supporter, check out the links in the description to show support, as well as thank you everybody for supporting the channel. Also, if you haven't already, use discount code JACOBVILE when you shop at Sky High Cardio, Explicit Audio, and others. And also, if you haven't already, check me out. I am on social media, Facebook, Instagram, TikTok, and YouTube, as you are seeing here. Go ahead and hit that like button if you haven't already. I really appreciate it. And subscribe. Stay tuned for more daily videos, and I'll see you all in the next one.